नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं प्रोफेसर पंकज बिरूड़ आपका इंजीनियरिंग टाइगर यूट्यूब चैनल में स्वागत करता हूँ। आज की वीडियो में हम देखने वाले हैं एफर्ट लॉस्ट इन फ्रिक्शन एंड लोड लॉस्ट इन फ्रिक्शन कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे। उसके ऊपर कुछ एग्जांपल हम यहाँ सॉल्व करेंगे, लेकिन उसके पहले अगर आपने हमारा यूट्यूब चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें और साथ ही में बेल आइकॉन को ज़रूर क्लिक करें ताकि आगे आने वाले लेक्चर्स की नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिलती रहे। तो चलिए यहाँ से स्टार्ट करते हैं। पिछली वीडियो हमने देखा था डेफिनेशंस ऑफ एफर्ट लॉस्ट इन फ्रिक्शन एंड लोड लॉस्ट इन फ्रिक्शन। एक बार रिवाइज करते हैं। एफर्ट लॉस्ट इन फ्रिक्शन, इट इज़ अ डिफरेंस बिटवीन the effort and the idle effort, and the load lost in the frictions, it is a difference between the idle load and the load. That means Pf is equal to P minus Pi and W equal to Wi minus W। तो इसी फार्मूले को हम यूज़ करके आज के प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करेंगे। तो चलिए प्रॉब्लम लेते हैं। A machine has a velocity ratio 50. A load of 6 kN is lifted by an effort of 300 Newton. Calculate the efficiency and effort lost in friction. In this example, we have the velocity ratio, that is VR, equal to 50. A load of 6 kilonewton, that means W, capital W, equal to 6 kilonewton. We can convert it into Newton, so it will 6 into 10 raised to 3 Newton. Then the effort of 300 Newton means the effort P is 300 Newton, and calculate the efficiency and effort loss means we have to find out first one the efficiency of the machine, and second one is effort lost means PF. Now let us try to solve this example. In previous lectures, we have already revised the formulas which are essential for solving the numericals. So here we have W and P, load and effort. So by using these two terms, we can easily calculate mechanical advantage, and mechanical advantage and velocity ratio, we can calculate efficiency. So let us try to calculate. Therefore, mechanical advantage equal to, the formula is load upon effort. So here the load is 6 into 10 raised to 3 upon, आपको effort दिया है 300, so take 300. So the answer will be 6 into 10 raised to 3 मतलब 6000 divided by 300, so we'll get the 20. So here the mechanical advantage equal to 20. Now by using MA and VR, we can calculate efficiency. So efficiency of machine equal to MA upon VR into 100. So it is equal to MA is 20, VR is 50 into 100. So efficiency will be 40%. This is our first term. Now we will calculate this PF. So we know that what is PF equal to? PF equal to P minus PI. अभी ये फार्मूला अगर आपको याद नहीं रहता है तो सिंपली For idle machine, as we know, MA equal to VR. MA equal to VR. What is MA? W upon P is equal to VR. This is the idle machine relation. MA equal to VR. MA is W upon P is equal to VR. Now in this case, we require PI. That means हमें ये P PI से रिप्लेस करना है, जैसा मैंने लास्ट वीडियो में आपको बताया था. W अपॉन पी आई इज इक्वल टू वी आर. आपको सीधा मिल जाएगा फार्मूला PI का. सो PI कितना हो जाएगा आपका? W अपॉन वी आर. सो यूज दिस फार्मूला हियर. PF equal to P minus W upon VR, as it is unknown. Now P is given 300. So PF is equal to P is 300 minus W is 6000 upon VR is 50. So solve it. We will get the PF. So PF equal to, so 300 minus, it is 120. Then the effort lost due to friction or in friction is 300 minus 120, that is 180 Newton. 180 Newtons. So in this way we have calculated the efficiency and the effort lost in friction. अभी सिमिलर टाइप का दूसरा एग्जांपल लेते हैं. Let us try to solve this second example. A machine has a VR equal to 50. A load of 3 kN is lifted by an effort of 150 Newton. Calculate MA, efficiency and the effort lost in friction and idle effort also. So first write down the given data. As usual, the given data is, read this example carefully and understand the problem. VR equal to 50, that is velocity equal to 50 is given. Then a load of 3 kilonewtons, that is capital W, load W 3 kilonewton, that means 3000 Newton or 3 into 10 raised to 3 Newton. Then effort of 150, efforts means P, that is 150 Newton. Now to find first term is EMA, mechanical advantage. Second one is efficiency. Third one is effort lost, means PF. And fourth one is idle effort. So effort denoted by P and idle effort denoted by PI. So I for idle. So let us try to solve this example. So solution. So our first step, observe the given data. Now in the given term we have W and P, that means we can easily calculate EMA. So calculate EMA. EMA equal to W upon P. Put the values of W, that is 3000, and efforts value is 150. So our answer will be 20. So here EMA is 20. Now calculate efficiency. Now we have calculated this EMA, we have VR, so we can easily calculate efficiency. So efficiency of machine equal to EMA upon VR MA upon VR into 100. If we multiply it by 100, we will get efficiency indirectly in a percentage. So MA is 20 upon VR is 50 into 100. So here efficiency will be 40%. Okay. Now we have to calculate PF. So PF equal to P minus PI. P minus PI. So, but here PI is unknown, because that term also we have to calculate. So first we will calculate PI. यहाँ पे हम सिमिलर वही चीज़ दोहराएंगे. फॉर आइडल मशीन MA equal to VR, W upon P is equal to VR. यहाँ पे हमें PI कैलकुलेट करना है, तो P को रिप्लेस करेंगे PI से, और PI का जो फॉर्मूला आएगा वो आएगा W upon VR. So in previous example you can also calculate the PI separately and then put in the formulas. PI equal to W upon VR. So here W is 3000 and VR is 40. Sorry, VR is 50. Sorry, VR is 50. So its answer will be 60 Newton. 60 Newton. Then fourth one, PF, effort lost due to friction, PF equal to P minus PI. एफर्ट आइडल एफर्ट से ज़्यादा ही रहेगा, सो P माइनस PI आपको लेना है. What is P? P is 150 and PI is 60. ये फिगर्स देख के भी आप फॉर्मूला बना सकते हैं. P माइनस PI होगा 150 माइनस 60, सो इट इज 90 न्यूटन. सो फाइनल आंसर MA equal to 20, efficiency equal to 40%, then PI that is 60 Newton, and PF, effort loss in friction or effort loss due to the friction, is 90 Newton. So in this way we can calculate the effort lost in friction, idle effort, MA and efficiency. आपको आज की दोनों प्रॉब्लम के सॉल्यूशन समझ में आए होंगे. फिर भी आपको कोई भी डाउट है तो आप कमेंट बॉक्स में ज़रूर लिखें. साथ में वीडियो आपको कैसी लगी उसका फीडबैक ज़रूर दें. वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें, हमें मोटिवेट करें. आपके प्यार से ही वीडियो बनाने में मोटिवेशन मिलता है. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. बी विथ अस फॉर नेक्स्ट वीडियो.